With a joint operation of Agartala GRPS, Agartala RPF and the Intelligence Division, 4 Bangladeshi nationals have been arrested from Agartala railway station on Saturday night. Among the arrested are 2 children, 1 man and woman. Police presented them to the court on Sunday. Beside the notification issued by the Union Home Minister Amit Shah to detect the illegal Bangladeshi migrants and deport them to their country within a month, many illegal Bangladeshi migrants were seen quarterly across the state of Tripura. On the other hand, the state government is also not taking any initiative regarding the notification issued by the Home Minister to implement the work of identifying legal Bangladeshi and to deport them. Question arises whether the Tripura government is disobeying the notification issued by the Home Minister and supporting to bring more illegal migrants from Bangladesh. Likewise, on Saturday night, with the joint operation of Agartala GRPS, Agartala RPF and the Intelligence Division, 4 Bangladeshi nationals have been arrested from Agartala railway station on Saturday night. Among the arrested are 2 children, 1 man and woman. Their names are MD Bilal, Salma Begum, MD Nam and MD Ali. It was learned that they had entered India through Tripura border illegally to travel in Delhi.
ছোটকালে মা বাবা আনছে 4 বছর বয়সে আর কি এদের কাগজ
Police presented them to the court on Sunday and started taking investigation to this case. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.